Whoa, guess what? My passion fruit plants are all coming up. You gotta check it out. So I have 3 planters full. I had lots of seeds and I wanted them spread out. I didn't want them too close. I wasn't sure how many would come up. And it seems like I have about 100%, just counting them here. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You can kind of see them popping up. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. You see little ones coming out, 38, 39, 40. Lots. I would say at least 50. I mean, you can see little stems just barely starting to break the surface of the dirt. There are so many. I'm so excited for this. I'm hoping most of these survive, and I'll have to find spots in my yard to put them. Maybe I'll make a trellis to hold them all. These ones look the best, look the most intact, like they didn't get damaged. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. Hope you have an awesome day.